Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Racket Wrench Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any cyclist, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just starting out with bike maintenance, offering a compact and versatile solution for on-the-go repairs and adjustments, ensuring you're never left stranded with a loose bolt or a poorly tuned gear, making it an indispensable addition to your cycling toolkit for peace of mind and optimal performance on every ride. Number 5. AOBEN 12V Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. Tackle any bolt or nut with ease. This powerful tool delivers up to 40 feet lbs of torque, making removal and installation a breeze. Get the job done quickly and efficiently. It spins at an impressive 280 revolutions per minute, and the variable speed trigger gives you precise control over every fastening. Never struggle in the dark again. The integrated LED light illuminates your work area, and side indicators keep you informed of the remaining battery life. Work with confidence thanks to its smart design. The backward switch prevents accidental activation, and the air-cooled motor ensures stable operating temperatures. This comprehensive kit includes the Ratchet, 2 long-lasting batteries, a charger, various sockets, extension bars, and a convenient carry case. Keep working without interruption. With 2 included 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, you'll always have a charged one ready to go. What we like. This tool boasts a powerful 12V motor for efficient bolt removal and installation. Its superior fastening speed of 280 revolutions per minute with a variable trigger offers excellent control. If you're looking for a tool that can handle tough jobs quickly and efficiently, especially in dimly lit areas thanks to its dual LED lights, this is a great choice. What people say. Works as advertised. Love the fact that it comes with a carrying case and an extra battery. Feels very sturdy and not like some cheap Chinese tool. Solid build, light, and versatile. If you are a DIY guru, you need this tool. For basic work in tight spaces, this is great. Very lightweight. Nice kit as well, and my sockets do not look poorly made as others stated. Number 4. Egofine 46-piece 1/4-drive socket ratchet wrench set. Experience unparalleled reliability with our CRV sockets, engineered with reinforced walls to eliminate bursting risks. Crafted from superior chrome vanadium steel, they offer lasting performance. Each tool in this set is made from premium chrome vanadium steel alloy. Its mirror chrome-plated finish ensures outstanding strength and wear resistance for all your tasks. This set includes 21-bit sockets and 13 metric sockets, covering a wide range of sizes. A quick-release ratchet handle is also included for efficient operation. Reach any spot with ease thanks to the included multi-extension bars. Universal joints, various length extensions, and a flexible bar provide ultimate versatility. Perfect for auto repair, home improvement, carpentry, and DIY projects. This versatile set is a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Featuring a quick-release switch and reversible mechanism, operation is simple. The comfortable rubber grip and sturdy toolbox ensure easy storage and transport. What we like. Constructed from durable CRV steel with reinforced walls, this set offers unparalleled reliability. It includes a wide array of bit sockets and metric sockets, along with multiple extension bars for various scenarios. If you need a comprehensive set for auto repair or household projects and appreciate having a tool for almost any fastener, this is the one for you. What people say. Good quality, metal isn't thin, won't break easily. All in one project, easy to store as well, small durable box. Compatible with many different sizes as well as good grip and security enjoy. This set includes a great range of metric sockets and bit sockets, perfect for light auto repair or household tasks. The chrome vanadium steel with the mirror finish really gives it a quality feel. Plus, it all comes in a handy storage case, which is super convenient for portability. Bought this set for working on small engines. Has pretty much all the tools to work on small engines like Mantis tiller, weed eater, blowers, no more back and forth to the monster toolbox. Number 3. ACDelco ARW1209P G12 Series Cordless Ratchet Wrench. Introducing our G12 Series 12V Cordless Ratchet Wrench. It's engineered with high-quality materials for fast and easy removal work, offering a powerful 45 ft lbs of torque. Featuring a 3/8-inch alloy steel head and a built-in LED light, this tool is perfect for working in tight and dark spaces. It's ideal for construction, auto, and home repair. Unlike other tools, it boasts a powerful 170 revolutions per minute no-load speed, allowing you to tackle a wide range of tasks with efficiency. The ergonomic soft grip design ensures comfort during long working hours and provides a secure grip for maximum control. Its slim body design offers a safe and balanced experience. This kit includes the cordless ratchet wrench, an 8-piece socket set, a 12V Li-ion battery, and a fast charger, providing everything you need to get started. What we like. This ratchet wrench delivers a strong 45 ft-lbs of torque and a fast 170 revolutions per minute no-load speed for quick work. Its ergonomic soft grip design ensures comfort during long working hours. If you prioritize speed and comfort for demanding tasks in construction or auto repair, this tool's balance of power and user-friendliness makes it an excellent option. What people say. The product works great and is very effective. The design is sleek and modern, and the functionality is superb. It has a unique feature that sets it apart from other products on the market. Number 2. HELAKLS 10-piece metric ratcheting wrench set. Crafted from robust chrome vanadium steel with a polished finish, these wrenches are built to last. They offer exceptional corrosion resistance for extended use. This set includes all essential metric sizes from 6mm to 18mm. You'll have the right tool for any metric fastening job. Keep your tools organized and ready for action with the included carrying bag. It's perfect for your car or toolbox. Experience efficient work with the 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism and 12-point box end. They provide reliable torque without damaging fasteners. We stand behind the quality of our tools. Enjoy peace of mind with our refund service for any manufacturer defects. Whether for roadside emergencies or regular repairs, this set is an indispensable addition to your toolkit. Tackle any project with confidence. What we like. Made from industrial-grade chrome vanadium steel with a mirror finish for enhanced corrosion resistance, these wrenches are built to last. The 72-tooth precision mechanism allows for smooth operation in tight spaces. If you need reliable, durable wrenches for emergency repairs or everyday projects and appreciate precision engineering, this set is a solid investment. What people say. This 20 pieces gear wrench set have a durable chrome finish and very good quality. The wrenches are all marked with large easy-to-read numbers. The set ranges from 6mm to 18mm and the holding rack can be hung on a wall or pegboard without falling out. Number 1. MULWARK 3-piece adjustable wrench set. Introducing the MULWARK 3-piece adjustable wrench set, your go-to solution for a variety of tasks. This versatile set is designed to handle everything from home repairs to automotive maintenance with ease. Crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, these tools are built to last. You can rely on their strength, longevity, and corrosion resistance for dependable performance. Experience precise control with a smooth adjustment mechanism on each wrench. They offer an optimal grip on nuts, bolts, and fasteners of various sizes, ensuring a snug fit every time. Work for longer periods without fatigue. The ergonomic handles and non-slip surface provide a comfortable grip, enhancing your overall user experience. Keep your tools organized and ready to go. The set includes a compact carrying case, making it easy to store and transport, perfect for professionals, DIYers, and homeowners. Tackle any tightening or loosening job effortlessly. These wrenches are designed for optimal performance in your home, garage, workshop, or for any DIY project. What we like. This set includes 3 adjustable wrenches in 6, 8, and 10-inch sizes, offering great versatility for various tasks. They are crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel with a smooth adjustment mechanism for a precise fit. If you often encounter fasteners of different sizes and need a comfortable, reliable tool for home, garage, or DIY projects, these adjustable wrenches are ideal. What people say. It's so awesome tools to use. I can use any size I need to use for my need. What caught my eye, and convinced me to try the MULWARKs, was that they have calibrations, and a reference arrow for a better substitute caliper. So, I ordered them. When I opened the box and took out the 10-inch wrench, I knew I had a quality tool. It just felt right. This is a good set of crescent wrenches that have a couple of very nice features. You get 3 different sized crescent wrenches, 6, 8 and 10. The weight and feel of the wrench and its non-slip yellow, easy to find, plastic feel coating on the handle provides a comfortable to manage wrench. The wrenches are made from chrome vanadium steel, strong, durable and corrosion resistant. They are shipped with a light oil coating on the wrench itself. Additionally, the wrench has 1/16" laser markings assisting our presetting of the wrench opening. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.